Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a mind-blowing new strategy that can help you make $1,000 a week online simply by copying and pasting text. This method is generating thousands of dollars daily for people just like you, and the best part, it's completely free to get started with no prior experience or skills needed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up Google Docs. The first step is to open a blank Google Doc. Head over to docs.google.com and create a new blank document. If you don't have a Google account, you can easily create one for free at accounts.google.com. Keep this document open as we'll need it in the following steps. Step 2. Understanding and joining 𝗤𝗏's affiliate program. Next, we're going to utilize a site called 𝗤𝗏. 𝗤𝗏 is an emerging online shopping app similar to Amazon, but with a much more lucrative affiliate program. Unlike Amazon, which pays only 2 to 3% commission, 𝗤𝗏 offers a whopping 20% commission plus a $3 bonus for every app installation through your affiliate link. Step 3. Creating money-making articles with ChatGPT. For Step 3, we'll use AI to generate engaging articles that will drive traffic to 𝗤𝗏. Go to chat.openai.com to access ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can write articles for you. I've provided specific prompts in the description below to guide ChatGPT in creating targeted, high-quality content for your niche. Copy these prompts into ChatGPT to generate your articles. Step 4. Adding affiliate links to your articles. Once you have your article written by ChatGPT, paste it into your Google Doc. Next, you'll need to add your 𝗤𝗏 affiliate links to the article. Highlight the relevant text in your Google Doc, click the hyperlink button, and paste your 𝗤𝗏 affiliate link. This ensures that every time someone reads your article and clicks on these links, they are redirected to 𝗤𝗏, and you earn a commission. Step 5. Publishing your articles on Medium. Finally, we need to get your articles in front of readers. The best way to do this is by using Medium, a platform with over 160 million monthly active users. Sign up for a free account at medium.com and start a new story. Before pasting your article into Medium, use an app like Fastly AI to humanize your text to avoid detection as AI-generated content. Format your article with engaging headings and images, and add your affiliate links to ensure they are clickable. Bonus tips: driving traffic and maximizing earnings. To maximize your earnings, promote your Medium articles on social media and other online platforms to drive more traffic. The more readers you attract, the higher your chances of earning commissions from 𝗤𝗏. Additionally, consistency is key. Regularly post new articles to keep engaging with your audience and driving more sales. And that's it. By following these steps, you can start making money online simply by copying and pasting text, thanks to the power of AI and affiliate marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. If you have any other ideas and you'd like to share them with other viewers, drop them in the comments below. Happy earning!